Ooh.
This one, chicken teriyaki one. This one's nice. At least you can eat.
Tayo mo dito kung nasaan ka.
Guys, we're in Wemart! Guys, we're in Wemart! Si restaurant!
Ang dami pa, hindi lang choose.
And so there's chicken, seafood, and blah blah blah.
What do you think is yummy? You choose. Smile. yung ano, yan. Yan. Show me yung sushi mo.
10 out of 10, I like it.
Saan pakita mo?
This one. Oh! This is like chicken sushi.
Ano pa? Ano to?
What is this? Crazy crab. It's a crab.
Yummy?
Look, this is my favorite.
Don't like. Ayaw niya. What is your comment?
I like it, but that's my favorite. I like the chicken more.
Okay. Hi. Hi, Daddy.
Jesus, ang laki niya.
Look. How much?
Tapos si Mami,
King crab.
Mami, ito mo sinasabi. Gusto niya umalis.
Ano sabi?
Gusto niya umalis. So, mo, bakit gumaganyan siya?
Sabi niya, let me go, let me go. So, kainin yung mataba na yan.
Ito mo, Mami, ito mo, tulog siya. Easiest now, this is the craziest, the king crab, and yung nakatulog, natumba.
Isa natumba. Hindi makabangon. Sabi niya, help na ba? Help na ba?
No! Yung taba!
Let's go to Daddy and Uncle. Okay. Ano yan? Last step? Yun po.
Dessert time.
Nasaan ka ba?
What are you?
Wemart. Nasa Wemart.
Let's look up. Look, very interesting. So much. This is the craziest. Look. Yeah, the Norway king crab. Live king crab.
Where's yun? You're not there, right?
And this crab relaxing.